This is a new steerable single motor pin walker robot I've designed. It uses the same mechanism as this last one, a wheeled robot I designed. They have this ratchet assembly in the middle. I've done a video on how that works. I'm just going to do a short video of showing this one. There we go, driven by a switch box driving the motor forward or reverse. There we go, forward, and the motor, it walks forward. Both pins driven in the same direction. We're going to go in reverse, and it'll spin in a direction until you get where you want it to go. And back to forward to walk forward. Here's the bottom of it showing the pins. It's kind of a Robbie type design. That's what I was going for. I'll probably put a clear dome on it in the future. I have to get a vacuum former or make a vacuum former. The arms are posable with little hands. Swivel in there. Arms are made in two pieces. Screwed to the body. There's a little O-ring in there that provides a spring pressure to make them posable. This dome just pops off. I got some more work to do on it aesthetically and a few more details to add. The body prints in one piece. It's mounted with two screws, 3mm screws. Right now I'm driving it with a switch box, but I believe I have left enough room to put my pickaxe or A-Tiny85 board and a battery for IR control. And I've also got a board from IC Station I'm going to try to put in it. That's RF 2.4 gigahertz, I believe it is. That'll control the motor. I'll take the body off and show the internal workings real quick. Here's the body. Some mounting bosses in there. Here's the internal workings. It's basically the same as this. Had only down in the gears where the ratchet and pawls are, there's only one ratchet on each side internally of each gear, so they can sync up. I'll show it running. This is forward, where both pins are driven to drive the robot forward. Now we'll go in reverse, and the one on the right goes in the same direction, and the one on the left goes in the opposite direction. This one is always driven by the motor straight through this gear. So when it goes forward, it goes in that direction. When it goes reverse, it goes in the other direction. This one here is always driven in the same direction. That's what provides the steering action. I'll let it walk by itself. Forward. Turn it. I thought I might have to do I had a switch or something and a controller to keep it in sync so it wouldn't topple over. But I think the base is wide enough that it won't topple over even if you stop it in the wrong place. See if I can make that. See right there? I stopped it in the wrong place, but both pins were down at the same time, but it went on its way. I'll post more on this when I get it finished. After I get all the files finished and everything, I'll put it on Thingiverse and printables. So anybody who wants to make one can make one. All it takes to drive it is a simple forward reverse controller, or you can go more advanced routes. Well, thanks for watching.